This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for January 22nd, 2024. It's currently November 5th, 2023, 4:29 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is currently $434.69. That's USD. And the shuffle video that we're going to play for you was created on October 25th, 2023 at 8:54 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the 22nd, usually when you see the abundance card, it's like a really significant high of some kind. Sometimes it's an all-time high, sometimes it's a new high, sometimes it's a new local high, but it'll stand out significantly. I think we're probably near highs because we have cross-trading congruency for the high card. We do have a cross-trading congruency for the low card, but it's nullified, so I'm not so sure how strong of an indication that really is. However, there's a cross-trading congruency for high as well. And what I think happens is we either open like near the highs of the prior day based on the cross-trading congruency of the cherry card. We either open near the highs, or we open lower and then rally into the highs of the prior day there around the open. But there's a range that we'll be bound by early in the day, and I think that'll be our first high. We'll decline pretty notably after like a failed attempt to break through key resistance, somewhere around like between the open and like 11 o'clock. Failed attempt to break through key resistance that we'll expect to break through. Decline through key support there. That turns into volatility between roughly 11 and 12, and that volatility ends with a fast sudden move higher. Somewhere between 11 and 12 and that fast sudden move higher, there's 3 pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke, taking us into a low probably somewhere between like 12:30 and 1:15. This reading is a little tricky, so we might either be at another high here, between roughly, like rally out of the low pretty significantly into like a near overbought peak or crest that we sell off from somewhere between like 1 and 2 o'clock. We break through momentarily, stay above it briefly, and break back down through that price level with a full retracement back down, and then do sideways rotation, revisiting an opportunity in the midst of that sideways rotation as we move into the close. Sharp drop in that sideways rotation that would stand out, and a low probably around the close. Either that, or we would probably open the lower the prior day. Either one of those. Where there's a low, I think the low's probably somewhere here around the close. I think the high's probably near the end of the day as well, and then we sell off pretty notably, opening lower on the 24th. So in the midst of the lows here on the 19th, I would have been opening up a long position, and I'd probably close that long position here, like early afternoon or first thing in the morning if I had the opportunity, or for a day trade at the end of the day in the midst of those price swings. But that's SPY for the 22nd of January 2024, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma, my friends. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of every profitable trade utilizing this information forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profits back to the channel here. That leaves you with 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you do that, my friends, the universe considers you an angel investor of the channel. It's gonna send it back to you tenfold. Neglect to follow through on the rule of karma, my friends, and you're using the channel, you're using the universe's benefit of the doubt that it's giving you, and it's gonna shut off that flow of abundance post-haste to anybody who's abusing. So make sure not to be that guy, my friends. Blessings. I'll see you guys on the next one.